Ever wondered what a day of healthy eating looks like? Stick around to find out. In the next few seconds, you'll discover all the delicious and nutritious meals I eat in a day. For breakfast, I start with a green smoothie packed with spinach, kale, and a banana. Next, I have a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and almonds. For lunch, it's a colorful salad with quinoa, chickpeas, and lots of veggies. Mid-afternoon, I enjoy a handful of nuts and an apple to keep my energy up. Dinner is grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. Finally, a cup of herbal tea before bed to wind down. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more healthy tips.